So it's an hour later. So the bread is now doubled in size, and then our cookie dough has had enough time to rest. So we're going to start assembling. Alright, so she has doubled in size. So we're just gonna dust her down, degas the dough. Degas it. And then take her out. That was supposed to go a lot smoother than I expected. Okay, there we go. Come on. There we go. So I'm gonna do exact measurements. So we have 608 divided by 15. I don't have the number. That's about 41 grams per piece. And now we begin. We're gonna form them into our dough balls, so that way they can start forming their own little gluten structure. So I flatten them down, and then I just gather all into one place, pinch with my fingers, and then flip it over. And I use my thumb to tuck in while my ring finger rotates it. And you have a little ball. And rinse and repeat. Okay, so once you have all of your dough balls formed, you're gonna cover and let it rest while you do your cookie part. And cookie dough should have been just coming back to room temperature while you were doing the dough. And so from here, you can do it two ways. You can cut it into 15 pieces and then shape each one. Something that I'm gonna try out this time is just rolling it as one piece and then cutting out circles from it. So let's try that now. We're gonna take one of our dough balls and then put it on there so I can see what my measurement should be. So, you know, normal people probably use like a bowl or a mason jar top. But no, I like to make things harder for myself. And freehand to the size of my dough ball. Let's try and get these off. Oh, that's not bad. That is a win. I'm gonna consider it a win. Hopefully one day this is my full-time job. Owning a bakery. I've worked at a bakery before, and that's what sparked all of this. Okay, so once you're done with your cookie dough, that took me about 20 minutes. If you get done faster, let the bread sit to 20 minutes fully. After you cover them with the cookie, you're gonna put it on the baking sheet and it's gonna rest for another 20 minutes. So take one, and I actually put it on the underside because this is stickier, so it helps the cookie dough. You know, I don't think I have to. Okay, so notation for the next time I make these. There's too much dry ingredients with me adding the milk tea and the cocoa powder. Okay, so then these are all good, and you're gonna cover it with a towel, and once again, let it sit for 20 more minutes. You can go preheat your oven to hit 350 and then throw them in, and we'll see how they bake. So they're all baked. As you can see, I think the cookie was definitely too dry because half of them didn't stay on top of the bun. We got a few pretty ones here. So like I said, they were about my palm size. So you can make double the amount for a party or something like that. But they are crispy on top, so it's a nice difference in texture. I'm getting this. And you do like a little Melon Pan Taiwanese bread sandwich. And voila! Kind of looks like ice cream, huh?